there, curious minds! Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey to learn all about a fascinating celestial event, the solar eclipse. Get ready to uncover the magic of the sun, the moon, and the shadows they create. A solar eclipse happens when the moon moves between Earth and the sun. When this happens, the moon gradually blocks out the light from the sun. If the sun and moon line up perfectly in the sky, we call it a total solar eclipse. Total solar eclipses happen when the moon completely covers the sun, and it can only take place when the moon is near perigee, the point of the moon's orbit closest to Earth. Annular solar eclipses take place when the moon's disk is not big enough to cover the entire disk of the sun, and the sun's outer edges remain visible to form a ring of fire in the sky. Partial solar eclipses occur when the moon only partially obscures the sun's disk and casts only its penumbra on Earth. And that, my young astronomers, is the wonder of a solar eclipse. Remember, these celestial events remind us how incredibly vast and awe-inspiring our universe is. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and keep exploring the mysteries of the cosmos. Thanks for joining us on this solar journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting adventures in science and space. Until next time, keep shining bright.